Today I'm going to show you how you can change the font of your Instagram bio so it looks something like this, whether you're on Android or whether you're on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Base. In this video I'm going to essentially show you exactly how you can change your Instagram bio so it looks something like this. If you do enjoy this video, if it does help you out, make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe. So you can essentially put whatever font in your Instagram bio that you want. I've got mine here, Knowledge Base, YouTuber, Marketer, simple tutorial videos, like and subscribe. I'm going to show you how you can do this. So what you need to do, and you don't need any application for this, just go off Instagram and you want to open up Google Chrome. Head over to Google and you want to type in fancy text generator. You can see I've already got it typed in here. Now there are a couple of websites you can use, but the one I like to use is coolsymbol.com. So click on that and it's going to open up a website where you can input your own text. Now here you want to import any text, so I'm just going to use hello world as an example. So once you've entered in your text, you want to click go, and you're going to see your text converted into different fonts here. Now you can choose any of these and you can put any of these on your Instagram story. So let's say for example we want to use, I don't know, I do like this one here, the black circle. So you want to click go copy this style, and then what you can do is you can just simply click on copy, and you can go back onto your Instagram bio. You can then edit your profile. And you can simply add this into your Instagram bio and just paste it in. And you can do this whether you're on your iPhone or your Android phone. And that's all you have to do really. Not only can you also do that, you can also go back onto coolsymbol.com. You can go back, and if you scroll all the way down, they have like text symbols that you can use. So you can use all of these symbols here. Now some of these you can't actually get on the keyboard, like you've got special owls, you've got a love heart, you've got M. So you can copy any of these. So let's say for example we want to copy TM. So now it's copied. We can now go onto Instagram. So there we go. Now I've got knowledge base TM, and that's pretty much how you can edit your Instagram bio. Edit it to however you want with whatever fonts you want. If that video did help you out, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below as well. Commenting on the video and leaving a like will really help out the channel and really help the video go to more people. So if it did help you out, I really would appreciate it. Cheers for watching guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.